Hello everyone, and welcome back to Spice World Kitchen. Today, we have something truly special for you. We'll be making Lokma Tatlısı, a delightful Turkish sweet treat. If you're a fan of deep-fried dough soaked in sweet syrup, you're in for a treat. So, let's get started. First things first, let's go through the ingredients you'll need for this mouth-watering Lokma Tatlısı. 2 cups of all-purpose flour. 1 cup of lukewarm water. 1 tablespoon of instant yeast. A pinch of salt. Vegetable oil for frying. To start, we'll make the dough. In a large mixing bowl, combine the flour, instant yeast, and a pinch of salt. Gradually add lukewarm water while stirring until a soft and slightly sticky dough forms. Knead the dough on a floured surface for about 5-7 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. Place it back into the bowl, cover it with a damp cloth, and let it rest for about an hour or until it doubles in size. Once the dough has risen, it's time to shape our lokma. Pinch off small pieces and roll them into small balls, about the size of a walnut. In a deep pan, heat vegetable oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Carefully drop the dough balls into the hot oil and fry until they turn golden brown, ensuring they're cooked evenly on all sides. While the lokma are frying, let's prepare the syrup. In a saucepan, combine 2 cups of sugar, 1 cup of water, and a slice of lemon. Bring it to a boil and let it simmer for about 10 minutes until it slightly thickens. Once the lokma are golden brown, remove them from the oil and immediately dip them into the warm syrup. Make sure they are fully coated, allowing the lokma to absorb that delicious sweetness. And there you have it, our scrumptious Lokma Tatlısı. These little bites of heaven are best enjoyed fresh and warm. I hope you give this recipe a try and impress your friends and family with a taste of authentic Turkish cuisine. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our delicious recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!